Hello guys, good day for you. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the signal problem. There's no signal due to the bad weather or fault connection. Cool guys, look this thing, just remove here and cut it so, and you need this, do something like this, you see, simple this thing. You see this at this wiring here, then cut it like this, you see, then take the F connector, put it in like this, and you see, screw fit, you see, look, and inside be sure no this wiring touch here, make sure. Okay, look guys, it still show E48, no signal. Simple. Then take the cable here, you see, the cable there, you see, and put it in and do like this, you see, it's already playing. Signal problem solved. Okay guys, sometimes you need to check the settings. You just press the blue button like this, go there, go to satellite settings, home network, press OK, you see, then scan all, you see. Let me go back and show you again. Just press the blue button, go there, press OK, home network, launch wizard, OK, IS20, OK, manual setup, then check where is it, is on smart or is on unicable or universal. That is depend on which smart LNB are using, but because it's a universal, I will use universal instead.